Welcome to this edition of Lightning Fast PD, where we take a look at backward chaining. Backward chaining is a differentiation strategy where students start a process closer to the endpoint of a series of tasks. This helps students gain practice at skills later on in a process and works well across all content areas. Here are 3 examples of how you can use backward chaining in action. A student is asked to write a narrative essay. They may not have an idea of what to write about or struggle with the chronological order. You could backward chain this by providing the student with a topic or give them a series of pictures in order and have them write the story from the pictures. The student gains experience actually writing the essay, and they will have more opportunities in the future to develop those earlier tasks. Example 2. A student is asked to write a paper or give a presentation based on research. The student may not have the skills to find resources or take quality notes from the research to be able to actually complete the presentation. You could backward chain this by supplying them with pre-selected resources or notes and have them summarize the research. In the future, they can work on those earlier tasks in isolation and build up to completing the whole thing. In the end, the student is still able to complete their presentation alongside their peers. Example 3. Students are working on complex math problems with several steps. You have a student who rarely gets the correct answer because they're not completing an earlier step correctly. You could backward chain this by pre-starting a few problems for them, or have them start the problem and you can do the middle tasks alongside them to complete the problem independently. Backward chaining is actually pretty easy to implement. First, complete a task analysis of what students are expected to do, then include your struggling student in a conversation about the process to help identify where they need to start. Be open with students about this. It will help them advocate for their needs while identifying areas for improvement. Once the student has mastered the completion tasks, gradually move the starting point back so students gain practice working from beginning to end. This is especially important for special populations, as these are often the students who don't take tasks to completion, heightening a sense of failure or low self-esteem. Students need strategies like this now more than ever. It is a common misconception that Maslow's 4th tier is a growth need when it's actually a deficiency need. When a student is deprived of esteem, they will avoid tasks so they don't experience unpleasant feelings. Additionally, false praise is ineffective in boosting esteem. Students need to experience recognition for things they actually accomplished. So when struggling students complete tasks and projects alongside their peers and get recognized for that, it builds their esteem, helping them reach Maslow's 5th tier, which is the only growth need identified by Maslow. For more information on backward chaining or the importance of Maslow's 4th tier, check out these podcasts from the Cult of Pedagogy. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time on Lightning Fast PD.